A cinematic listing video is the single most powerful marketing tool you can put behind a home. It shows what photos can't, the flow between rooms, the way the light moves through the space, the feeling of walking through the front door. A serious buyer watches a listing and they already know if this is the home before they book a showing. The listing video is horizontal and it fits the entire screen on desktop, laptop, or smart TV. When a buyer sends it to their friends or family to watch, it looks like they are watching a film. That reflects on you as the agent. That's the kind of presentation that wins listing appointments. And sellers love these videos, especially if they built the home or raised a family there. We get asked for the download link constantly after the home has sold. This kind of personal touch builds referrals you just can't buy. And one more thing. Add a voiceover and your listing video becomes searchable. AI platforms are crawling YouTube transcripts now. A narrated video means buyers can find your listing just by asking AI. We do the vertical too, and it's great for social, but the listing video is the foundation. It's the thing serious buyers keep watching over and over again.